What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Edible Fitness. It's good to have you here. Today we are doing another recipe from the Vegan Bodybuilder Cookbook, and it's a doozy and super easy. We're making a lentil vegan soup, and because it's almost lunchtime, it's time to get started. Let's go. The recipe produces about 5 servings, and in one serving you get 364 calories, 7 grams of fat, 19 grams of protein, and 58 grams of carbs. Before you can do any cooking, of course, you gotta prepare the food. So get out your onion, peel, slice, and dice it. Take 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and dice those up as well. Wash, peel, and dice your carrots. And finally, do the same with the potato. Now that we are here over by the pot, first thing we're gonna do is add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the pot and heat it up. Once we've done that, we're gonna add in our onions and saute them for about 5 minutes. Cool, now that's done, it is time to add in our garlic, and we're gonna saute the onions and the garlic together for another 2 minutes. I don't know about you, but I love the smell of onions and garlic frying. So good. To that mixture, now we're gonna add in our chopped potatoes and the carrots. Give that another 3 minutes. You see how fast this is going? I love it. Now it is time to add in everything else. So to the pot, we're gonna add in your crushed tomatoes. Now I didn't have a can of tomatoes, but I did have fresh, so I just took 6 of them and blitzed them up in the food processor. Voila, crushed tomatoes. Next, you're gonna add in 8 cups of vegetable broth, 2 cups of dried lentils. Now the recipe calls for 1 bay leaf, but my bay leaves are so small, so I'm using 3. And lastly, 1 teaspoon of cumin and salt and pepper to taste. Mix this all up and allow it to come to a boil, and when it does that, turn it down and let it simmer for about 40 minutes on low. So I guess now it's just time to wait. Warm, hearty, flavorful. This is definitely a dish you're gonna wanna try. See, being a vegan and a bodybuilder doesn't have to be difficult. And if you wanna see me do more recipes for bodybuilders, let me know in the comments below. Obviously, I have some eating to do, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye.